Fiximer's brand new Doncaster showroom is now open. If you're thinking about renovating your staircase, come and explore our stunning range of natural oak components specifically designed to clad over your original staircase, saving you the hassle of a full replacement. Check out our range of steps cladding designed to connect seamlessly with our risers, our newel post cladding, our stringers with matching caps, and of course our stunning balustrade options. Pop into our brand new showroom, meet our friendly team and grab a free non-obligation quote. From there, you let the results speak for themselves. At Fiximer, we stock hundreds of high quality oak products, perfect for joiners and DIYers alike. Available for convenient collection or a speedy delivery, making sure it's at your home in no time. Everything you need to transform your staircase is ready and waiting, so why wait? Renovate today with Fiximer.